Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit bonus, no KYC and no lot required. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details I'll be dropping, and make sure you follow me step by step so you don't miss any step in claiming this bonus. As you can see showing on the screen, I've been able to claim the $50 no deposit bonus. Showing here on my screen is my balance. As you can see, the balance, I've been able to claim mine, so I'll be showing you how you can claim yours as well. Just follow me to the end of this video. To get the link to this platform, to this website, all you have to do is just click on the link that will be in the description of this video to take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, click on join, then you get the link to the bonus. Then after clicking on it, to bring you right to this part here. So after clicking on register, this is what you'll be saying showing on your screen next, and this is your login details that you'll be using to be logging in to get the bonus. So after that, you click on login. So it will bring you right to this next part. All you have to do here is just to click on login, put in your login details, and you'll be clicking on login. So after clicking on login, this is where it will bring you right here. As you can see, we are going for a $50 no deposit bonus, and showing on the screen here, as you can see here, this is not the account we want to open, and showing here also is our balance is showing 0. So we're going ahead to get the $50 no deposit bonus. So to get the $50 no deposit bonus, all you have to just click on the menu button right here. Click on the menu button, then you'll be scrolling down and we'll be going for pop trading right here. Pop trading, that's what we'll be going for. You click on pop trading, and here we go for create new. We'll be creating the new account, so you click on create new, and here we have different bonus that they have on this platform. As you can see, they have the $50 no deposit bonus, they have the 5,000 profit and the 10,000. But for this 5,000, you have to pay $5 to get the 5,000, and for the 10,000, you have to pay $10 to get the 10,000 profit. So, but as you can see, for the $50 no deposit bonus that we'll be claiming, showing here it is $0. That means we'll be getting this bonus for free. So all you have to do here is just click on select, then after that you click on apply, then showing, as you can see, account created successfully. So all you have to do next is to click on login. You'll be clicking on login right here. So do that, click on login, and as you can see, we've been taken to the website. That's their platform. Originally, we'll be trading on this website here. You don't need a MetaTrader 5 or a MetaTrader 4 to trade. As you can see showing on the screen, you have different pairs that you can use to start trading with. All you have to do is just go to the chart, and place in your order. So showing here is the balance that we've gotten. This is the balance. This is the $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to start trading with. Just come here. All you have to, after getting the bonus, and then you can go ahead and place your order. Then you can start trading. This is the chart. Then you can now start trading without stress. As you can see, then you can now start trading without stress. So to get the terms and condition, all you have to do is just click on this icon right here. This icon that looks like a watch, you'll be clicking on it. Then as you can see, it's showing the account that we have here. So all you have to do is just click on this menu here, click on pop trading, and you'll be clicking on account lists. So after clicking on account list, then you click on go to accounts. Then as you can see, here is the terms and condition that we need to follow in making withdrawals. So this is the income target. This is the target you need to cover $100 when you want to withdraw your profit and 30 days of trading. And the minimum order you can open is 2. You can open 2 orders. So showing on this screen here is going to show you your details, your progress on the trading account. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, you comment, and you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on details I'll be dropping, because I drop videos often on forex no deposit bonus, crypto talks, and how you can make money online in 2025.